Hi, I'm Nicola from the Grays Retreat and I'm going to show you how to use the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel. This is the product, Special Cleansing Gel. It's a really good cleanser, first cleanser for people, good cleanser for young teenagers to get into if they haven't got any issues with their skin but just want to start cleansing. Perfect for guys as well. This is a foaming cleanser and it's a gel, so I'm going to show you how to use this. So you would have started with your pre-cleanse, so you're doing your double Dermalogica cleanse. This you foam up in your hands and then massage over the skin. So I've started with pre-cleanse, I've removed my makeup off my skin and then following with the special cleansing gel. This is for a normal skin type. As I say, it's really good for your first cleanser of the Dermalogica range, and then you can, once you've used it, move on to another cleanser more specific for any kind of issues you have. So this is for a normal skin type, and as I say, perfect for men. You can even shave with it, so you can foam it up and use it for shaving men if you're using it for that. And it's a really good one to mix in with any kind of exfoliant as well if you want to do like a power cleanse. I'm going to show you how to use with my biotherapeutic exfoliating silicone brush, just to give it power up. Basically, it's called like a power cleanse. So I'm going to massage that in. Don't forget creases of the nose, tip of the nose, crease of the chin, over the lips, don't forget that skin, and don't forget neck, chest area as well. Okay, this is my BT Sonic brush from Biotherapeutics. So turn it on, vibrate. It's got some little silicone, tiny little brushes, and that's going to work that special cleansing gel further into my pores for a super clean. Get into the nose. I use this in treatment. Clients love this in treatment. I use two together so I can really kind of massage the skin. So you're going to feel super clean after using this together. Okay, so that's how you use the BT Sonic brush. I sell these, so if you want to get your hands on one, there'll be a link below to it and more information about your special cleansing gel. Okay, that's enough of that. And then don't forget, you use your sponges and water to remove. As I say, this one's quite foamy, so make sure you're using plenty of water to make sure it's all off of your skin. Feels super clean after this one. And fresh. There we go, that's how to use the special cleansing gel. More information in the link below. Thank you.